Yes, the Halo 70 PS trim can be used in the Halo H7ICT 6-inch cans. The Halo 170 PS is an airtight trim. It is designed to prevent airflow into the ceiling plenum. This is especially useful in areas where air sealing is crucial. This might include locations such as attics. The Halo 70 PS, on the other hand, is a non-airtight trim. It allows some airflow into the ceiling plenum. This is typically acceptable in most applications. Closets are one example of this. In the described situation, since the cans are being installed in a closet, the Halo 70 PS trim is acceptable. Here are some additional considerations. Firstly, the Halo 70 PS trim often has a lower wattage rating than the 170 PS trim. Ensure that the wattage of the bulbs being used does not exceed the trim's rating. Secondly, the Halo 70 PS trim may not be suitable for use in damp or wet locations. Check the manufacturer's specifications for the specific trim being used to confirm its suitability for the intended environment. Confirming the trim's rating is suitable for your location, and confirming the bulb wattage is less than the maximum for the trim will allow you to use the trim safely and effectively. Always refer to the manufacturer's datasheets for definitive specifications.